How much is it? What do you intend to cook tonight, Jenny? Well, I'm about to cook fried soya cheese and chicken soup. So I guess we should go to the soya cheese stall first. Sure, let's go. What type of soya cheese do you usually buy? The Sugoi brand or the Oishi one? Actually, I just buy soya cheese randomly and I never look at the name of the brand. But I think we should compare the price. How much is the Sugoi soya cheese? It is $1.23. And the Oishi is $2.74. A little cheaper. Should we buy the Oishi brand? We should ask another person. Excuse me. Yes? Have you ever bought soya cheese there? Oh, you mean tofu? Oh, yes. I usually buy the brand name Sugoi. It's really tasty. We're just wondering which one to buy. How much is it? Well, it says $1.23. I have to admit that this one is cheaper, but trust me, I've tried all of the tofu brands here, and Sugoi is the best. Thank you. We will listen to your advice. You're welcome, ladies. Let's go to the meat stall. Wow, there are a variety of meat there. You want to cook chicken soup, don't you? Which parts of the chicken should we buy? We'd better choose the part which contains much meat. How much chicken wings and thighs? Well, the chicken wings cost $1.67 per pound, and the thighs cost 89 cents per pound. What do you think? Let's buy both of them. We can save up the last for other dishes. Agree. How much are they in total? Yours is $5.70, lady. I have a membership card for this supermarket, so is there any discount for today's shopping? Can I see your card, miss? Here you are. All right, yours will be a 5% discount as you have the membership card. So, how much is it now? $5.40, miss. All right, here you are. Thank you, and see you again. Hey, are you busy at the moment? No, what's the matter? I've heard that there is a discount up to 50% at a Star shopping mall. Do you want to go shopping with me? Great! I also need to buy new clothes. When and where should we meet? At the female stalls in 15 minutes. Will that be okay? Got it. See ya. Hi. Do you know what items of clothes are on sale today? I don't know exactly. Let's go to have a look. Wow, this pink dress really suits you, Jenny. How much is it? Let me check. Well, it's a little expensive, $50. I don't have that much money, Sarah. Is there anything cheaper? Let's go to the jeans stall. Wow, jeans here are 25% discount. How much are they? They cost only $21. Marvelous. I will choose one for me. What do you think I should buy? Sweaters or hoodies? But it's summer, Sarah. Don't you think it's too hot to buy those winter items? I love winter clothes. I can wear them even if it's so hot outside. Well, it's up to you. How much does a sweater cost? It's cheaper than hoodies, but I want to have both of them. Hey, we're still students. We have to save money for other things. You're right. I won't buy those items anymore. That's right. Hey, crop tops here are beautiful. Look at this yellow crop top. I love it. Should we buy a couple costumes? Great idea. I'll choose the orange one. What a happy shopping day. Yes, yes, yes.